Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare zinc versus brass door handles. We'll explore their key differences in material, cost, and appearance, helping you make an informed decision for your home. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for selecting handles that meet both your functional and aesthetic needs, ensuring long-term satisfaction with your choice. When it comes to material, brass is a robust alloy, primarily copper and zinc, offering excellent strength and resistance to wear. Zinc handles, often made from a zinc alloy, are generally lighter and less dense. This difference in composition means brass typically provides superior long-term durability, especially in high-use environments, standing up well to daily handling and environmental factors. Cost is a major factor, with zinc handles often being significantly more affordable, sometimes costing 25% to 50% less than their brass counterparts. Aesthetically, brass offers a timeless look and develops a beautiful, natural patina over time. Zinc handles, while available in various finishes, typically rely on plating which can show wear more quickly, altering their initial appearance. Regarding maintenance, brass handles may require occasional polishing to retain their original luster, though many appreciate the aged patina. Zinc handles are generally low maintenance, needing only a simple wipe down. For applications, brass is often preferred for high-traffic areas and exterior doors due to its inherent strength and corrosion resistance, while zinc is a great choice for interior doors with moderate use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.